Good day in all employer in Hong Kong. I am Evangeline Mina, 31 years old from Solano, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I'm a widow and have 3 children, ages 10, 6, and 3 years old. My highest educational attainment is a high school graduate, and I work as a housemaid here in the Philippines for 5 years. My duties are taking care of the newborn, preparing and cooking meals, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, ironing, marketing, and many more. When you have a newborn at home, I can take care and I can sing nursery rhymes like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Like that. And I like to work in Hong Kong because I need to earn money for my family and to save money for my kids' future. To my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am a loyal, trustworthy, and a hardworking woman. And I promise to do my best to work with you. Thank you and God bless.